Imagine never having to scrub another baby bottle by hand again. It's 2 a.m., your baby has just finished feeding, and instead of standing at the sink washing bottles, you simply load everything into one machine, press a button, and let it handle the rest. That's exactly what the NCVI large baby bottle washer, sterilizer, and dryer promises. It doesn't just wash bottles, it also steams, sterilizes, dries, and stores them with 39 powerful spray jets, 212 degrees steam sterilization, a built-in HEPA filter, 7 cleaning programs, and up to 72 hours of sterile storage. It sounds like a complete bottle cleaning solution. But can it really replace hand washing, and is it worth buying over more expensive competitors? Let's find out. Unlike traditional bottle sterilizer that only sanitize bottles after you have washed them, the NCVI is designed to do almost everything in one machine. It automatically washes, sterilizes, dries, and stores baby bottles, breast pump parts, pacifiers, nipples, and other feeding accessories. The heart of this machine is its automatic washing system. NCVI combines heated wash cycle between 131 and 140 degree Fahrenheit with 39 high pressure spray jets that clean bottles from multiple directions. According to the manufacturer, the 360-degree cleaning system is designed to reach difficult areas inside bottles, nipples, and pump parts where milk residue often collects. For everyday cleaning, there's a fast wash program that finishes in about 19 minutes for bottles with dried milk or tougher stains. The strong wash mode uses hotter water, enhanced spray pressure, and low foaming detergent tablets to deliver a deeper clean in around 49 minutes. Several parents mention that bottles come out spotless with little or no milk residue remaining. After washing, the NCV automatically switches to 212 degree steam sterilization, which is designed to eliminate up to 99.99% of common germs and bacteria. The built-in hot air drying system then dries bottle completely, eliminating the need for countertop drying racks. The machine also includes a medical-grade HEPA filter, which helps maintain a cleaner storage environment and keeps bottles protected for up to 72 hours. One thing I like about the NCVI is how simple it is to use. Just load the bottles, add a detergent tablet, choose one of the 7 cleaning programs, and press start. The control panel is straightforward, making it easy even for first-time parents. NCVI claims busy moms can save 2 to 3 hours every day compared to hand washing. Unlike some competitors that require additional purchases, the NCVI comes ready to use. Inside the box, you will find 30 detergent tablets, a drain hose with suction cups, a medical grade HEPA filter. It also includes a 1-year warranty with customer support. The machine is designed for North American 120 volts outlets, so international buyers should always check voltage compatibility before ordering. Customer feedback for the NCVI is overwhelmingly positive. Many parents describe it as a lifesaver, a game changer, and one of the best baby purchases they have made. The biggest reason is simple: it saves time. Many reviewers praise the large capacity, saying it easily handled multiple bottles and accessories in one load. Others highlighted the excellent cleaning performance, saying bottles come out spotless and hygienically clean. Parents also appreciated the quiet operation, noting that the machine can run without disturbing a sleeping baby. Several customers even compare it to more expensive models like Baby Brezza, saying the NCVI delivers similar core feature at an affordable price. No product is perfect. While most reviews were positive, a smaller number of parents reported issues after several months of use. These included occasional drain problems, drying failures, or error codes such as E4. Some customers praised the warranty service and received quick replacements, while others felt customer support could have been more responsive. A few parents also noticed small pools of water remaining inside bottle bases after drying. Others mentioned that the lid could lift slightly during steaming, and some clean water might remain in the tank after a cycle. These issues weren't common, but they are worth knowing before making your decision. After looking at the specification and hundreds of customer experiences, it's easy to see why the NCI has become a popular choice among parents. It combines automatic washing, 39 powerful spray jet, 212 degree steam sterilization, complete drying, 72-hour HEPA filtered storage, and 7 cleaning program into one easy-to-use machine. If you are bottle feeding exclusively, pumping or washing bottles multiple times every day, it can save a significant amount of time and effort. If you would like to check the latest price or see if there are any current discounts, you will find my affiliated link in the description below. If you are also comparing other bottle washers, I reviewed additional models on the channel, so be sure to check those out after this video. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you choose the NCVI, Eufy, or another bottle washer for your family? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review. Bye bye.